As we are celebrating Earth Day, it's important to reflect on how we can contribute actively to help support the future of our generation and try to minimize the impact that we have on the planet. As a management consulting firm, there are several solutions you can implement. Some of them are related to innovation and are interesting to have a look at. For instance, with satellites and imagery recognition, you can have three different use cases. One of them is the optimization of renewable energy. By scouting available roof, scouting available land, available sea, you can find additional location where you can maximize the generation of clean energy. Another use case is to scout and look out for zones that have been not used by the human in the recent year and that you can repurpose for new business and economical activities. Finally, a last one which is also quite of interest, and it's when it comes to restoration and rebuilding forests, rebuilding canopy, rebuilding biomass. You can monitor the health of the reforestation. You can look for what works, what does not work, to maximize the carbon removal. Altogether, we see that individually, collectively, as a business consulting firm, you can have a positive impact about protecting the planet with minimal effort. So happy Earth Day, and I wish you all a positive contribution.